you go to the monetization tab, you click monetize with ads. There's different options you can have to monetize your video. Display ads are the things that appear in the top right hand corner. That's like a minimum that you have to have for anything monetized. You also have the option for overlay ads. So this only appears on desktop, and it's when you're watching a video, there's the little box. You can click the X to make it disappear, but it's like the old school internet ads of old. There's something called sponsored cards, which I don't like using because I don't want them being confused with things that I'm specifically endorsing, so I never use those. But those are like info cards that pop up, but they'll be for advertisers. They won't be things you created. I never do that just because I don't want to have that level of confusion. If something pops up, and it's a product that I don't believe in, just something that I don't like, I don't want that. Skippable video ads, you're probably well familiar with. These are the ads that display at the beginning of your video, but you have the option of skipping them. Old Stephen Colbert joke from, I guess, maybe 6 months, a year ago. He often ended his videos with a call to action where he says, click subscribe. It's almost as satisfying as skip ad. I'm sure we've all said click skip ad a lot, and I'm actually rocking premium, so I don't see the ads myself anymore. And so if your video is longer than 10 minutes, you have this ad breaks thing that appears in the bottom where you can create ads that will appear, skippable video ads, in the middle of your video. I don't like doing that, generally speaking, unless there's a natural break point. So normally I'll just let I'll have one maybe before and maybe one after. I mean, if an ad shows at the end of the video, you were exposed to an ad because you didn't click on my end card to watch another video, so that's on you.